Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra screen protector you can buy Amazon. Screen protectors are one of the most common types of tech accessories. They are used to prevent damage to the screen of your device. The importance of screen protectors cannot be understated. They are designed to protect your screen from scratches, cracks, and any other damage that can be caused by the device. There are many types of screen protectors out there, and they vary in quality and price. Galaxy S22 is a smartphone that has a screen that is very sensitive to scratches. So, it is important to protect the screen with the right product. Galaxy S22 Ultra clear screen protectors provide protection from scratches and smudges on the screen and are made out of high-quality tempered glass. The best way to protect your Galaxy S22 Ultra screen is by using this Galaxy S22 Ultra clear screen protector. It protects your phone from scratches, smudges, and dust particles without compromising its touch sensitivity or clarity. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research in new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. It inspires me to make videos like this. Number 5. Imbzbk. Imbzbk is a brand new generation screen protector of the highest quality for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. It uses a high transparency flexible TPU film and tempered glass to give you the most accurate and maximum protection. Imbzbk features an oleophobic coating that resists fingerprints, oil, dust, water, and other contaminants. It's also scratch resistant and supports fingerprint unlock. The screen protector and camera lens protector are only compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 6.8. Watch the installation video before installing the screen protector. The video is in the product photos. If there are small scratches and bubbles after the screen protector is installed, don't worry and wait patiently. It will recover automatically within 24 hours. The screen protector is not tempered glass. It is made of premium thermoplastic polyurethane, a flexible material that can covers the curved edges of the Samsung S22 Ultra, provide maximum protection against scratches. With nano-elastic to prevent screen breakage caused by drops. Small scratches and air bubbles can be repaired automatically within 24 hours because of the use of a high permeability glue with strong adhesion. Number 4. Aacl. Aacl 3D tempered glass screen protector is the best protection you can find for your Samsung Galaxy S22. This high-quality glass screen protector is specially formulated to be fingerprint friendly and has a 99% clarity and 99% light transmittance, letting you enjoy a crystal clear view of your phone's screen. Aacl is compatible with most cases and provides full protection for your phone's screen from scratches. This Galaxy S22 Ultra screen protector supports perfect ultrasonic fingerprint, easy installation and a fingerprint-friendly finish with an ultra-thin 0.25mm tempered glass protector for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G phone. Enjoy the world's first ever fingerprint-compatible easy installation and anti-scratch best tempered glass protector of the screen. Number 3. Lettang. Lettang offers you the best in privacy and protection for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Lettang Ultra screen protector offers complete protection to the screen of your phone with 3D edge coverage. It is made of 9H hardness tempered glass that is resistant to scratches, abrasion, and fingerprint damage. For those who are concerned with the safety of their device, it has been certified by Samsung Industry. Get the neatest protection for your phone with the Lettang tempered glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can still use the touch screen to feel the difference between hard and soft substances. To show our sincerity, we put in one piece high quality of Galaxy S22 Ultra privacy tempered glass screen protector and 2 pieces of camera lens screen protector. The camera lens screen protector is an extra gift to prevent lens scratches. Precise laser cutting size and apoded 3D curved surface technology provides maximum protection for the entire touchscreen surface for Galaxy S22 Ultra. Suitable for use with soft phone case to prevent edges peeling up. Compatible with most Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cases. Number 2. Newspoint. Premium 3D curve fit touchscreen protector for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with case-friendly design. This screen protector is made from high-quality material which is 4x stronger than PET film and has a hardness of 9H. Each screen protector features adhesive that secures it to the device and can be removed without residue. It's also anti-scratch and offers 99% transparency, so you can enjoy your device's beautiful display. Two-way left and right protect your confidential information from other people at your side, and they will only see a darkened screen. No more leaking confidential information in public. 0.18mm thickness with self-healing properties enable the flexible film to recover from minor scratches over time to keep your gadgets looking great. And perfect fit to the screen to protect your phone screen from scratches, dust, water or accidental damage. Applied the nano glue technology and full adhesive coverage feature allow it an excellent touch sensitivity and interact with ultrasonic sensor which make in-screen fingerprint ID sensor function works. Number 1. Spigen Neoflex series screen protector is a new level of protection. Created with the latest manufacturing technology, you'll enjoy maximum protection without unnecessary bulk. The advanced materials used in the production of this screen protector feature an 18H hardness rating to ensure your device's safety. Additionally, our specialized surface treatment ensures that your screen protector won't affect the sensitivity of your touchscreen. The Neoflex screen protector is constructed from chemically treated transparent TPU material to provide excellent scratch and impact resistance. Offering perfect screen protection without compromising the sensitivity of your device, this screen protector is made for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. A thin and nearly invisible flexible film that is precisely cut to follow the contours of your device, Neoflex offers the ultimate in impact resistance and a smooth texture